Secretary Coloma stressed that achieving understanding and closure and not retaliation will be the guiding principle of the Philippine government in dealing with the sanctions imposed recently by Hong Kong in connection with the 2010 Manila hostage crisis. Coloma said suggestions to retaliate for Hong Kong's revocation of visa-free privileges for holders of official Philippine passports may be counterproductive. He added that in the face of all recent developments, the Philippine government remains determined to pursue the attainment of a mutual agreement.
May responsibilidad ang ating pamahalaan na pangalagaan ang kapakanan ng ating mga mamamayan. Kasama doon sa kapakanan na yun, yung ease of travel, di ba? At yung employment opportunities. Kaya't sinasabi natin na naghahanda naman ang ating pamahalaan ng mga karampatang hakbang para tiyakin na yung kapakanan ng ating mga mamamayan ay mapangalagaan. Hindi lang talaga natin makokontrol yung action ng mga external parties. We can only control our response to those actions.